Hi guys, in this video we are going to draw this 2D geometry in Autocad 2020. So let's get started. So the first step is to understand this diagram. So you can see the outer circle having a diameter of 182 and 170. So make two circles. Use the circle command. Select at any point for the center point. Now make type D for the diameter. Enter the diameter as 182. Press enter. Now again make a circle of diameter 170. For diameter type D and then type 170. So these are the two circles. Now you have to make some other circle. So this is the offset distance from the center point, that is 30 units for this circle having a radius of 35 radius. So make a circle. First make a line from the center point of length 30 units. Press escape. Now make a circle of radius 35 like this. Enter the radius of 35 units. Now again make a circle. This is the outer circle having a radius of 50. Type C. Select this center point for the radius. Enter the radius as 50. Press enter. Now let's make the slots. The height of the slot is 6 and the width is 18. So simply zoom at it and draw a line. Select at this quadrant. Make a line of 6 units long and the half of the width is 9. So draw a line of 9 units. Now extend it towards this and here it is. Now mirror these two lines. Type mirror. Select these two lines. Press enter. Now select the axis like this. Now trim the extra portions. Like this. Delete these two lines also. Now we have to make the another slot. This is not a slot, this is the outer portion having a width of 50 units, and so as you can see the radius is 56. So first we have to draw a circle of radius 56 from this center point. Enter the radius 56. Press enter. Now we have to make a line of 50 units long. So from this quadrant point draw a line of 25 unit long, that is the half. Now press escape. So this is the point we get. From that point make a line like this. Now make another line that goes inside this circle from this point Now remove the unwanted portions, delete this line and this line like this. Now trim the extra portions. Now make another line like this using mirror command. Select this, press enter, select the center point or this midpoint also. Now use the trim command, trim double enter. Now trim this part and this also. You can delete that, but first trim this part also. Now select this part of line, now press delete, and that's all. So the another part that we are going to draw is this curve portion. For that you can see the offset from this circle is 15. So make a circle using offset. Use the offset command. First enter the distance as 15 units. Now select this circle, make an offset of like this. Also you can see the second offset from this circle is 10. So for that select this circle, type offset, enter the offset distance and 10. Now select this circle and make an offset like this. So that's all. So the another thing is to note is this length, that is 18 from the center point. So for that I am going to make a line from the center point like this, and now use the offset command. Set the offset as 9. Select this line and place it here. Now similarly select this line and place it here. So use the extend command. So we are going to use the extend command as the circle is not completed. For extend type EX. Select this line first, press enter. Now select this. Similarly use the extend command, select this line, press enter. Now select this part, press enter. Now all we have to do some trim. Use the trim command, press enter. Now trim the unwanted portions, trim double enter. Trim all the parts, all the unwanted parts, sorry. So we don't need this line also. Trim this. First trim the outer circle parts. I had almost forgotten to trim that. Trim these two lines also. Now use the delete command, delete this line, these two lines also. Delete this part also. Now use the trim command again, double enter, trim this part. Now finally we have to make a fillet at this corner of radius 6. So this is made about 6 times in the diagram, as you can see, first, second, third, and similarly on this portion. So use the fillet command and enter the radius as 6. Now all we have to select this multiple fillet option, which is very useful to make multiple fillets. Now select this part first and this, similarly this part and this part. Also make fillet at this. And that's all. And finally, don't press escape, which can cancel all the fillets. Please press enter only. And that's all. And I hope you learned something. You have learned a lot more things about 2D drafting today. If you really like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please like and comment also. Thank you and have a nice day.